Most beginner Etsy sellers give up before they succeed. But what if I told you that 9 simple habits could turn your struggling shop into a 6-figure business? In this video, I'll break these habits down into 3 daily, 3 weekly, and 3 monthly actions you can start doing today to grow your Etsy shop the right way. Let's dive in. Daily habit number 1 is water your shop daily. Daily consistency is the foundation of long-term success for anything in life, including selling on Etsy. Think of it like watering a fruit tree. You don't pour a gallon of water all at once and expect it to grow overnight. Instead, you give it a little water every day, and over time it develops strong roots, healthy leaves, and eventually blooms and bears fruit. So let me ask you, are you watering your shop every day or just dumping water every once in a while and hoping it grows? Taking small, intentional actions each day, like responding to messages, checking orders, or reviewing your shop's performance, keeps your business healthy and prevents small problems from piling up. Daily effort also signals to Etsy's algorithm that your shop is active, which can improve visibility in search results. Over time, these small, consistent actions compound, leading to higher sales, better customer relationships, and continuous improvement in your shop. Simply put, it is not one big push that grows your Etsy business. It is the habit of showing up every single day. Be consistent and you will see success. Daily habit number 2 is serve better, sell more. Customer service can really make or break your Etsy shop. Quick, friendly, and helpful communication builds trust with buyers and keeps them coming back, while slow or unresponsive service can lead to negative reviews and lost sales. Great customer service isn't just about fixing problems, it's about creating a positive experience that makes your shop stand out from your competitors. Since reviews and reputation have such a big impact on Etsy rankings and buyers' decisions, going the extra mile with your customer service is one of the best ways to grow your shop and build long-term success. Daily habit number 3 is stay proactive, not reactive. A few minutes a day keeps late orders away. As an Etsy print-on-demand seller, reviewing and managing orders daily is essential for keeping your shop running smoothly and maintaining trust with your customers. Partnering with a POD platform like Printify makes this process much easier. You can track every order in one place and even set up automatic fulfillment. So once you've added products and created your listings in Printify, most of the process becomes hands-off. Printify handles the heavy lifting, but it's still key to check new orders each morning to ensure nothing slips through the cracks, shipping timelines are met, and any issues are resolved quickly. Staying on top of orders reduces cancellations, prevents late deliveries, and helps you keep your ratings high. Plus, daily order checks let you spot trends, identify bestsellers, and stay proactive rather than reactive, ultimately improving your shop's reputation and driving more consistent sales. Next, let's talk about weekly habits. Weekly habit number 1 is keep adding so you can keep selling. Adding new, high-quality listings to your Etsy shop every week is key to staying visible and competitive. Fresh listings signal to Etsy that your shop is active, which can improve your search ranking and bring in more traffic. Professional-looking photos, detailed descriptions, and optimized keywords make your products more appealing and increase your chances for sales. Regularly creating new listings also allows you to experiment with new trends, test different products, and discover more things your audience may be looking for, all of which helps your shop grow steadily over time. There's no magic number for how many listings you should add each week, but the more high-quality listings you have, the more digital real estate you take up on Etsy, and the more chances you'll have to make a sale. And remember, quantity leads to quality. The more practice you have at creating high-quality listings, the better you'll get at it and the closer you'll move towards perfecting the process. Set a weekly listing goal that feels realistic for you and stick with it. If you stay consistent, your shop will keep growing and improving week after week. Weekly habit number 2 is test, tweak, and optimize weekly. Even little changes can yield big results. Making small improvements to your Etsy shop every week can have a big impact on sales and growth over time. Simple things like running a short sale, testing new thumbnail photos, updating your keywords, or experimenting with ads can help you understand what works best for your audience. These small tweaks keep your shop active, improve visibility in search results, and can boost conversion rates without requiring huge time investments. By consistently refining your shop, you'll stay competitive, attract more buyers, and keep your revenue growing. Weekly habit number 3 is research weekly, grow consistently. Keeping up with competitors and researching trends on a weekly basis is crucial for Etsy sellers who want to stay competitive and relevant. You have to stay current because trends wait for no one. There are so many ways you can do this, but using a research tool like EverBee makes it so much faster and easier. It helps you to quickly see which products are selling well, what keywords are driving traffic, and how top shops are pricing and marketing their items. You can even check how many times a listing has sold and how much revenue it's brought in over a certain time period using their product analytics tool, which makes it easy to spot top performing listings fast. If you want to give EverBee a try, I have a link down in the description to try it out for free. I also have some videos on my channel teaching all about how to do trend research, so be sure to check those out after you finish this one. By analyzing what other successful shops are doing, from trending products to pricing strategies to marketing tactics, you can find gaps and opportunities for your own shop. Regular trend research allows you to spot emerging designs, seasonal interests, or niche ideas before they become saturated. Doing this every week keeps your listings new and appealing, your shop ahead of the competition, and your products constantly adapting to what buyers are actually looking for. If you're finding these tips helpful, be sure to hit the like button. It really helps me and also helps other Etsy sellers find this video too. And if you haven't already, don't forget to subscribe so you don't miss any future tutorials. Now let's jump into the 3 monthly habits. Monthly habit number 1 is audit your shop for success. Doing a deep shop audit every month is a great way to keep your Etsy store looking polished, professional, and competitive. Take some time to go through everything: your branding, listings, product photos, descriptions, pricing, and policies, and look for anything that could be improved or updated. Ask yourself, if I were a customer, would I buy from the shop? Seeing your store from a buyer's perspective helps you spot what's working and what's not. Regular check-ins like this also make it easier to find outdated listings or underperforming products so you can refresh your shop, boost conversions, and keep your shop feeling fresh and trustworthy. Monthly habit number 2 is plan the work, then work the plan. Planning your strategy for the next month is key to keeping your Etsy shop focused and growing. Think of it like planning a road trip. You wouldn't just hop in the car and start driving without knowing where you're going or what stops you'll be making along the way. The same goes for your shop. Setting listing goals and deadlines, scheduling product launches, and outlining your marketing gives you a clear roadmap for success. By deciding in advance what you want to put your focus on, you can prioritize your efforts, stay organized, and make data-driven decisions. This kind of proactive planning helps you stay on top of opportunities and keep your sales moving in the right direction. Dream big, plan smart, and take consistent action. Great results come from great preparation. Monthly habit number 3 is track your shop's financial fitness. Reviewing your finances in your POD shop is really important for making smart business decisions and keeping your shop profitable. Take the time to regularly look over your profit margins, item costs, and any shipping increases so you can see how your shop's really doing. This helps you spot where you might be overspending or where your pricing could use a tweak to improve profits. Staying on top of these numbers lets you make more strategic choices that boost your earnings, use your resources wisely, and keep your shop growing in a steady, sustainable way. If you enjoyed this video and made it to the end, comment habits below, and don't stop here. In this next video, I'll show you the 6 strategies the top 1% of Etsy sellers use to scale to 100,000 plus sales. Click right here and I'll see you there. Thanks for watching.